We live full-time in our RV, and we decided to put together a list of our top 10 Amazon things that we bought for the full-time RV life and we love.
We don't always agree on them though.
So I'm going to give you my list, my top 5, and we're going to give you Shawn's list, his top 5. We're going to let you guys decide whose list is better. Okay, we're going to set the rules.
Okay, we all know I'm going to win anyway, but just to be fair, each item must have been $25 or less at the time we purchased it.
And each item is something that we use on a regular basis. Okay, we're going to go over my list first, so let's go inside because that's where all my items are, so come on. Okay, so my list of 5, my number 5 item under $25 that we use on a regular basis is these magnet boards. Now, Shawn, of course, did not think that these were very important. He thought, why do we need these? But these new fridges do not magnet. They look like they're stainless and they would magnet, but they don't. So I saw this on Barry and Darlene's channel, like there's no tomorrow, and she had gotten a new Alliance RV, so she put these on her fridge so she could use their magnets. Why it's important to me is because I don't collect much being in an RV because we don't have a lot of space, but I do like to collect magnets sometimes when we go places. It means something to me. It gives me a memory. I've got pictures of my granddaughter. These came from Amazon. A pack of 2 is $21.99, and they adhesive to the fridge. So we put the adhesive strips up there, and they're pretty strong magnets. They're holding all of my magnets without any problems. So I like it because I can have a grocery list here. I can have some stuff for my grandkids. $21.99 magnet boards, and you can put these anywhere. They don't just have to be for your fridge. They could be on the back of a door or something like that. So that's my number 5 item. Before we jump into the rest of my list, here's a quick intro to explain to you who we are.
Free to roll, ooh, oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
Welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you're new here, thanks for coming along. I'm Billy.
And I'm Shawn.
And we're
Free to roam.
So number 4 item for me, everybody has trash bags and they come in a roll. And if you just set them under your cabinet, it could be very messy. So I found this handy box on Amazon. This box was $19.99. It's awesome because you can get multiple and you can stack them up. But what I do is I put my trash bags in there so it's under my sink and I can stack stuff on top of it, but if I need a bag, I reach down in there and just pull a bag off of the roll. And it comes in handy, and I don't just have a loose trash bags laying around under my sink. It keeps it organized so I can stack stuff on top of this. Definitely one of my favorite items that I got off of Amazon for under $25 that we use regularly. Okay, my number 3 item is that I got from Amazon under $25 that we use regularly is my mixing bowls. I say mixing bowls, but these are a lot more than that. Everybody knows in the full-time RV life, we need things that are collapsible or easy to store. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items take up the space of 1. I've got my measuring cups in here. I've got a small mixing bowl. I've got a strainer. I've got a colander. And I've got the large mixing bowl. I got these off of Amazon. I absolutely love them, and I use them every time I cook. They come in handy, and these are $18.99 on Amazon. My number 2 item that I got off of Amazon for under $25 that I use regularly is my knife holder. Now, in previous rigs, we have hung a magnetic strip up here to hang my knives. Every travel day, I would have to take all the knives down, wrap them in a towel, and put them somewhere for safe travel because you don't want your knife falling off and putting a hole in your linoleum floor. Alliance RV did a very nice option this time. They put this wonderful silverware drawer in here that moves back and forth. Well, they also put enough room in the bottom where I could buy a knife holder that slides under the drawer. So literally all my knives are stored neatly and safely right here, and they fit right underneath the drawer that Alliance RV put into this rig. So I love that. That was actually $23.99 on Amazon. Love it. It's definitely something I use every day. Okay, my number one thing that I got off of Amazon for under $25 is gonna surprise you, because you wouldn't think that this is what this item is used for. And Shawn definitely didn't think this is something we needed. When I bought it, he was like, what? But when I showed him, he's like, okay, I get it. Let me show you the pop socket, right? These are supposed to go on the back of your cell phones to help you hold your cell phone. I have it on my screen door, because when you need to reach through your screen door, when you need to shut your screen door, it's nice just to use this to slide back and forth. $12 on Amazon, and I use it every day, of course. Very handy. So that's my number one, is my pop socket. Okay, that's my list. Let me know down below if you use any of these items, or if you think any of these items are something you would use. I'd love to know what your favorite thing on my list of 5 Amazon purchases is.
Now let's go outside and check out the winning 5 items.
You mean the second place?
Well, whatever.
Okay.
My 5.
Let's go. All right, Shawn, what is number 5 on your list of Amazon picks under $25?
Okay. This one is really simple, because the first thing we do when we set up, Mama needs internet. Okay? So Daddy provides internet. But instead of just having it all strung all over the place, we bought that Starlink router and power supply mount. And it attaches in our front bay on the wall and keeps the router in place, the power supply in place. I never have to remount it, fix it, look for it. It's right there, it's ready to go. So for $20, the ability to have my Starlink router and power supply semi-permanently mounted inside the rig, worth every penny.
All right, honey, what is number 4 on your list of Amazon items under $25 that we use regularly?
Okay, this one I use every time we dump the tanks, and it's going to be no surprise to anybody that's been RVing for any amount of time. At $20, an extra Valterra gate valve at the end of your black tank connections.
All right, show us.
So our rig has 2. One of them is under the slide, so don't worry about that. The one that's easier to see is right here. And as you can see, you've got a viewing window and just one last valve for protection before you have a mess when you let her rip. So this valve keeps you from having a nasty surprise when you open that cap.
I see, okay. Cool, okay, $20, Valterra valve.
Yep.
Okay, Shawn, what is number 3 on
Number
your
3
list?
are these magnetic hooks. But we got these from Amazon. I think they're 11 bucks. We use them a lot of different places, but one of my favorite places is right here under the steps. I like to keep a little dust broom on the steps. Sometimes on the other side, I'll throw a fly swatter on there if it's, hot part of the summer. If you wanted to hang a flag or,
Wet
anything from
towel,
here.
Bathing suit, wet towel.
Yeah, wet towels, bathing suits. I mean, the uses are
Yeah.
whatever you want to
Dog
use to hang something up.
leashes.
Dog leashes. We've tried everything, and they are super handy. There's all kinds of these. These are the ones we like, and we've had good luck with them. So, okay, number 2 is our insert window shade on our entry door. Now, we got one that was compatible, so it wasn't the full Lippert brand. You can pay a little more for that one, I think. We went with one that was 15 bucks on Amazon. See if Billy can see this through the screen, but it's very simple. It just works on friction. It's an accordion style. If you want to see through or get some sunlight into your rig, you can drop it down. We mounted ours upside down so that you could block the sun from top to bottom. But on those hot summer days, and the air conditioner's working hard, you're getting a ton of sunlight in here. So those 2 little clips, that's how it mounts. It just frictions inside that frame. So most of your newer doors are equipped for that insert type slide, but there are other options. You know, you have the Velcro ones or whatever. Our door was already pre-equipped for the insert, so we got that. And I wasn't convinced we needed it until those hot summer days started beating that sunshine in the door, and that air conditioner, our thermostat's right there by the door. So it makes your air conditioner work a little harder. And it's so bright. Sometimes you just want to, you know, kill that light. And so that does both. Good light block, good sun block.
Okay, Shawn, your top #1 item that we bought off of Amazon under $25 that we use regularly.
Okay, so if you've seen our video about security, you know that we have a Blink security camera system. And I'll throw a card up here to that video if you haven't seen it. Now, mounting those cameras can be kind of tricky on an RV because when you
don't want to put screws in
your sticks and bricks, these cameras come with a base that screws into the wall. Guess what you're not going to do to your RV, most likely, unless you're Cousin Eddie or something. You're not going to screw that in the wall. So what we found are these slide-in camera mounts. So we got this 3-pack of these, $7.99. They're an adhesive, so they just stick on with that good 3M two-sided tape. We've traveled down the road 70, 75 miles an hour, and the standard Blink mount just slides right in, and then you can still adjust your camera however you want.
Of course, we don't leave the cameras up while we're driving. He's talking about the mounts stay up while we're driving.
And that's why they're so important, because I don't want to take this off and on every time I set up my rig. All I have to do is take the cameras down, and it's on Billie's checklist.
It is.
And then put them back up when we get to our destination. And boom, our security system is online, set up, and ready to go.
This is also nice because if we're just stopping for a quick overnight, we can throw one of those up and feel safe about if we're parked in a Walmart parking lot or something.
All right, free roamers. You've seen Billie's list. You've seen my list. What's your favorite thing on my list?
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Okay, we've given you my list and Shawn's list. There were a couple things on each of our lists that were worth mentioning but didn't quite make it into our top 5. So first, we'll get into my honorable mentions. Here we go. I like to drink water, but I don't do tap water because I'm what you call a water snob, probably. We do not have a fancy water filtration system in our rig because we get our drinking water with these 5-gallon bottles we got from Walmart, and we take them and we fill them up. When we first started getting one of these and filling it up, we had the water pump handle you could pump. And it didn't really work very well because it really needed to make a vacuum seal on the bottom so it wouldn't seal very often, and it was hard, it was a pain. So I found this on Amazon for $18, and it's a simple charge. You just plug a USB-C in and charge it, and you can use it to fill your water. It is awesome. It came in so handy for us. It's great to fill up our big water bottles on travel day, and it's just something I will not live without. Okay, my second honorable mention item is something that kind of surprised me and Shawn, and actually we both use. It's dual use. He can use it outside and I can use it in the rig. It is this handy broom. Yes, it doesn't look like a broom, but it is. This is a rubber bristled broom, and all you have to do to wash it is wet it down with water and wash it, and it's perfect. But I love it because if it shrinks down so you can make it longer or shorter. It is so good for dog hair. You can sweep hard floors and get all your dog hair, or you can use it on carpet. It is so great to use it on carpet or big rugs to get the dog hair up. It clings to the dog hair and picks it right up. But the cool thing is Shawn uses this outside too, you guys. He uses this, if we've had a particularly rainy or wet day, he will take this up on the slides and use it as a squeegee. It's got an edge here he can use as a squeegee to get water off of our slides before we pull it in. I found this on Amazon for $20 and I absolutely love it. It's definitely worth mentioning in my list of things to get from Amazon under $25. Now, let's go see if Shawn has a couple other items that he didn't mention earlier as well. Let's go outside. Okay, Shawn, you got a couple extra honorable mentions you want to add to your list?
I absolutely do, and I just keep them in a little container. But these Rapid Velcro straps, This one you can hang on a nail. I have some other ones that are, you know, the huge handle one. A lot of people use this one for their power cord. I do too. I keep a couple extras. One of these has a hook or a carabiner on it, so I can clip it to one of my tie down points and keep garden hoses and things up off the ground. I mean, they're just crazy good. I mean, handy to have. I bought like an assorted pack of those for like 15 bucks on Amazon, and they just come in handy all the time. In fact, if you buy the assorted pack, I keep one of these in my pocket all the time because you never know when I'm going to grab something and like want to roll up a cord or a hose or whatever, and I just have these little straps. Another place I use it right here, I just put a couple of these on to keep my ladder secured to the RV ladder. Keeps it in place, it doesn't bang around, and I mean, they're just so useful. So not top 5, I would say, but definitely worth mentioning at the price.
All right, Shawn, what's your second honorable mention item that we got from Amazon for under $25?
Okay, Billie gave you one that we both use, so I thought I would return the favor. Mine is a paper towel holder. So when I'm out here on the wet bay...
Not just any paper towel holder, it is a command strip.
Yep, and I actually, this one has the ability to put a couple extra mounting screws on it, so I did that. But it is always handy to have some towels, and I have this roll of shop rags on mine. Right here by the wet bay, anytime I make a connection or disconnect a hose, you know, occasionally you'll get a few drips or whatever. It's just handy to have out here. I didn't know I needed it until I put it on there. $5.99. Billie has one in her kitchen too. They're super useful. I might even get another one.
We've never had any issues with them coming unstuck.
Right. For $5.99, you can't beat it.
Okay, you've seen both lists, so we want to know who did it better, me
or this guy.
Also, if you found something useful on either of our lists, please let us know down below. Let us know if you thought, oh, that's a really cool idea and I'd love to use it. Or if you've got something better, let us know.
Yeah, that's what we try to do, is help each other out.
We do.
If you find value in that, we'd love to hear from you in the comments, or just throw us a like and consider subscribing to the channel.
Please come along with us. We love bringing content and RV tips with you guys. We're out here learning too. We're all still learning. We love to learn from each other. These are great items because they're under $25. They're affordable. They can be used all the time. We use all this stuff almost every day. But Christmas is right around the corner. Ooh. And if you know somebody that's an RVer and might want to give them a little gift, consider one of these items.
Yeah, these aren't going to break the bank.
No, and they're going to come in handy. They're going to be actually useful. They're not just going to be thrown in a closet somewhere. All right, well, thanks again, you guys. We really appreciate you coming along and following our channel, supporting us.
Okay, YouTube's going to throw a playlist and a video they think you're going to like up there. So stick around. Watch one of our other videos.
Until next week, you guys, safe travels. We'll see you out there.
See you out there.
Bye.
Free to roam, ooh, oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll in our